Tired of unreliable trash pickup? Choose a service you can count on. Rock Solid Waste. We provide dependable, affordable trash service for homes and small businesses with clean, professional equipment and friendly local support. When we say on time, we mean every time. Call today for a free quote at 731-420-4451. That's 731-420-4451, or visit rocksolid.com. Rock Solid Waste, taking the trash out of your worries. And now to Jerry Mack for the forecast.
All right, Karen, thanks for that. Rock Solid Waste is a sponsor for this morning's weathercast. All right, severe weather outlook for Monday. They have extended the enhanced risk basically to run right along Interstate 40 there. Shelby County still in the slight risk, so roughly right along the interstate. Everything basically in northwest Tennessee is in under the enhanced. And y'all can see the counties: Lake Obion, Weakley, Henry, Benton, Carroll, Gibson, Dyer, Crockett, Lauderdale, Tipton, Haywood, Madison, and a little bit of Henderson County there. So, but again, let's don't pay too much attention to the lines, because even though the enhance is there and everybody else is under the slight, doesn't mean we're not going to see the potential for some severe storms there on Monday. And right now, it looks like it's going to be more of a evening, night event type deal. Probably even maybe potentially into the overnight, which a lot of times that's when we get our severe weather around here. So unfortunately, it does look like a later night event. So, but there's a few, another day or two, we'll see um, if anything changes with timing or anything. But just know that all hazards are on the table: large hail, damaging winds, and yes, even some tornadoes um, look to be possible with this. So the the greater threat is going to be a little further to the north, as far as looks like more of a bullseye area for maybe some strong to violent tornadoes up in Illinois and up a little further. But just looking at some of the data that I'm seeing around here does not mean that we're not going to potentially see a strong tornado um, somewhere in West Tennessee. Not saying we will, but conditions are looking favorable for, like I said, all hazards. And again, even the possibility of a strong tornado cannot be ruled out. So it's something we're going to continue to watch as new data comes in, and we can analyze the new data and have a better idea on timing. But like I said, it does look like timing is going to be somewhere around the evening into the potential overnight hours. So stay with us. We are going to have a live briefing tomorrow. I'll get with Karen and Alicia and Brandon and see when we think the best time is going to be for us to do a live briefing. So we will have a live severe weather briefing. We'll post it, let everybody know the time and stuff for it. Severe weather outlook for Tuesday. Right now, Storm Prediction Center does have some of our southern counties under a 15%, which is still a slight risk. So we could still be dealing with some severe weather there on Tuesday. Again, we'll have some more details on Tuesday's outlook and probabilities as we get into the day tomorrow. We'll have some better data as far as it too. So right now, Monday's looking like our bigger deal day for severe weather in West Tennessee. So for today, partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Should reach a high around 80. We'll have a light east northeast wind at 5. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy, low of 57. Winds will be calm overnight. And the 7-day, we're looking nice for the weekend. Even tomorrow's looking nice, even warmer tomorrow. We're gonna be up in the upper 80s on Monday, so a lot of sunshine, a lot of um, heating of the day to kind of help fuel these thunderstorms as we get into the again, excuse me, till we get into the evening overnight hours. That's why I only got a 30%. That's during the day. Chances increase to near 90 to 100% as we get into the evening overnight for some strong to severe thunderstorms. So, got those rain chances at 50% there on Tuesday as well. And we'll still have some showers to deal with on Wednesday. Dry out Thursday and back to some more shower potential there on Friday. So Mondays most definitely are day to be watching, and we're talking Monday evening and probably into the overnight right now. All hazards are possible. Um, Large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. So again, live severe weather briefing probably tomorrow. We'll post the time that we're going to have our briefing and let everybody know. Everybody have a good weekend, and like I said, we'll post the briefing time probably a little bit later on this afternoon sometime.